Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today we're going to check out this wireless charger from Andobil. I've reviewed a few of the products in the past, but today we've got this 2-in-1 wireless charging stand slash pad. But yeah, let's begin with the video, guys. So guys, this is the box itself. As you can see, I've got the white one, but it's coming in a black version as well. Got the logo there, wireless charging, and you can see it's a 10 watt, so you don't have 15 watts of charging. For phones that support 10, you can use 10. With iOS, yes, you're still stuck at 7.5. On the back, you just got some more specs detail here. As you can see, max of 10 watts, if not 7.5 or 5 watts. But yeah, let's hope this is a USB-C for charging. But yeah, let's just open it up. Okay, looks like I got the black one instead. But yeah, I'm sure I picked white, but I'm not sure. Okay, it is come with an inbuilt cable, guys, so let's just put that aside. So yeah, inside you get a manual, so you can see it's a wireless charger. I'm not sure what you need to look at, but yeah. Then you get this little smart connect thing where you can get feedback. If you need help, you can always contact them here. There's details there, guys. But yeah, this is the stand itself. As you can see, it's very thin, like it's really thin, and on the bottom you've got one rubber feet, just one, and you've got indicating like that to let you know if it's on or not. And you have this flat cable, so you come to the cable, so that's nice. You don't need to get your cable yourself, and it's one of these flat ones, as I said, which is really nice. You can just have it flat out, which is really great. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect this up and let's see if the charging will work. So yeah, it's plugged in now. You've got a light there to indicating it's powered on, so that's good. So if I place my phone on the top here, it should charge. As you can see, it's charging and the light is on. Got charging, which is nice. So if you're going to use this as a charging pad, it works fine. You do get that tiny grip there, so it's not going to slide away. It would be nice to have some grip at the top so your phone won't slide, but with my leather case, it really doesn't slide that much. But if we press, nope, you have to pull it from the bottom, and it comes up like this. Yeah, it just comes out like that. Now you can put it in landscape mode, hopefully. No. So it's flashing, means it's not picking up. So let's try landscape mode, which is what I said before. As you can see, in landscape mode that works. So if you are watching something, a video, and you want it in charge, it works like that. If not, without having it charged, it will work in portrait mode, but then it won't charge, which is kind of sad. But then it's more like a phone stand, I would say, than a wireless charging. But in landscape mode, you can use it as a wireless charging and watch a video, or just have it in landscape mode. Just use it, which is nice as well. Like, it's only 15 pounds, guys, and for that it is really nice. Like, it is two things. So it's actually a wireless charging pad, and in landscape mode you can do wireless charging in dock mode, and then you have your stand mode as well, which is really great. And then, as I said, it comes in two different colors, guys. I've got the white here, and I got the black here, but this comes in a white one as well, as you can see in the picture here. But yeah, for the price, like, I'm not really sure what to complain here. It does the job. So if you're looking for like a wireless pad with a stand something-ish, this should be fine for you. Like, it does the job. Yes, it is not charged. I know I'm repeating myself, but really, nothing much to complain here. If you're looking for something cheap, and it's only 15 pounds, and for that price, it does the job. And you get 10 watts of charging for like Android phones, but for iOS, you're only getting 7.5, which is still sad, but that's up to Apple. But otherwise, it does the job, and the design it's nice. It's just a fully plastic, nothing metal here, no fancy shiny bits. So yeah, as you saw, the charging stand pad thing is really nice. It does the job. You get the wireless charging as a pad. You can stand it up. It works in landscape. In portrait mode, it's not going to work. But in portrait mode, you can just use it as a stand to hold your phone up. if you're FaceTiming or if you're reading some messages, and you can just reply back that, which is really nice. And for the price, I'm not really gonna complain. It's £15. You get a cable included, which is nice, simple, sleek. If you want to get a secondary one, this should be nice in your office or somewhere else. You can always get a spare one in your house. This will do the job for that. And for the price, I'm happy with it, guys. If you want to check it out, I'm always going to leave a link in the description. As always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you next one. Take care.